My name is Jim McEwan. I work for BAE Systems and I'm a leading hand electrician. Basically, as a leading hand electrician, you're involved with the supply of technical data to a team of electricians, such as drawings, equipment, and just basically to make sure they put it in the right place and hopefully it arrives at the right time for them. I think the most exciting part for me initially is the size of the project. Once the project started coming together, you know, because you can be isolated in various compartments, but once you see the other units and other blocks coming together and you realise just how big the project is, it's really quite amazing. And for an old shipyard man like myself, it's good to see. Traditionally we were used to the old copper cables, which, although there are miles and miles of copper cables on board, but the kind of mission systems, which is the kind of weapon systems, they are now fibre optic, and from the point of view of the weight of cabling alone, it's a massive saving, and also the amount of data the fibre optics can carry as opposed to the old style copper is astronomical. You know, even for the point of view you're pulling a lighter cable in, it's a lot easier. Just now I've had a couple of apprentices. When they first come into the yard, it's very, very daunting for anyone to come into the shipyard. I remember well my first day in a shipyard, and of course it's a different world now. Once you really get into, you explain to them how things, the pattern which you have to do the job in, and once they appreciate that and start actually listening to it, and their way is maybe not the best way, because I remember as a young man I thought I knew everything as well, but once you start coming in and listening to, and a lot of them do appreciate it, because they come back to you and say, well, you might have been sort of old so-and-so, but you know, thanks, you know, and that makes it worthwhile, because a lot of them have got so much to offer. I've been working in the shipbuilding industry for the best part of 40 years, and in that time I worked in variety from submarines, merchant ships, naval ships, oil rigs. But one of the things I always wanted to do was work in an aircraft carrier, and I'm absolutely delighted to be able to be part of this project because of that. It's been a big thrill for me. As I said, I'm an old shipyard man, and the days when we used to launch ships, there was always a wee sly tear in your eye, that not that you would admit it. I think it would probably be a bit emotional. As I said, I'm an old shipyard man, and the days when we used to launch ships, there was always a wee sly tear in your eye, that not that you would admit it, but certainly on this occasion, as I said, it's a massive project, and I think it would be a reason for everyone to be proud.